Today, we are going to talk about a very important and common question. Should students use mobile phones daily? Almost every student today has a mobile phone. Some students use it for study. Some students use it only for entertainment. Some students use it all day without thinking. People have different opinions. Some say mobile phones are very good. Some say mobile phones are very bad. But the truth is not black or white. The truth is in the middle. In this video, we will talk slowly and clearly about this topic. We will talk about the good side. We will talk about the bad side. We will talk about balance. And in the end, you will understand how students should really use mobile phones. Mobile phones are part of modern life. We live in a digital world. Technology is everywhere. Schools use technology. Offices use technology. Shops use technology. So expecting students to live without mobile phones is unrealistic. Mobile phones are not going to disappear. Instead of fighting technology, we must learn how to use it wisely. Students who learn to use technology correctly will move ahead in life. Students who misuse technology will fall behind. Mobile phones as a study tool. Mobile phones can help students in many ways. Students can watch online classes. Students can download notes. Students can read ebooks. Students can use dictionary apps. Students can practice English speaking. If a student does not understand a chapter in school, they can search online and watch explanation videos. Earlier, students depended only on teachers and books. Today, students have access to millions of teachers on the internet. This is a big advantage. Example: imagine a student named Rahul. Rahul does not understand mathematics in class. Earlier, Rahul would feel helpless. Now, Rahul can search simple math explanation on YouTube. He can watch videos again and again. Slowly, he starts to understand. This is the power of mobile phones. Mobile phones help in skill development. Students can learn many skills on mobile phones. They can learn typing, coding, video editing, graphic design, communication skills, English speaking. These skills are very useful for future jobs. Many students earn money online by using skills learned on mobile phones. So saying that mobile phones are useless is wrong. Mobile phones and communication. Mobile phones help students talk to parents. If a student is late, they can call. If a student feels sick, they can call. If there is an emergency, they can call. Mobile phones increase safety. Students also use mobile phones to talk to teachers and classmates about homework and projects. The dark side of mobile phones. Now let us talk about the problems. The biggest problem is distraction. Students open their phone to study, but they see notifications. They open social media. They start scrolling. One video becomes 10 videos. 10 minutes becomes 1 hour. This is how time is wasted. Social media addiction. Social media is designed to be addictive. It shows content that keeps you watching. Many students check their phone first thing in the morning and last thing at night. This habit is dangerous. It reduces attention span. It reduces patience. It reduces focus. Students find it hard to sit and study for long. Time, gaming addiction. Some students are addicted to games. They play late at night. They skip homework. They become angry when asked to stop. This affects studies and behavior. Effect on mental health. Too much phone use can cause stress and anxiety. Students compare themselves with others online. They feel, I am not good enough. I am not successful. My life is boring. This negative thinking is harmful. Effect on physical health. Long screen time hurts eyes. Sitting for long time causes back pain. Lack of exercise makes body weak. Late night phone use causes poor sleep. Poor sleep affects memory and concentration. Should mobile phones be banned? Many people say phones should be banned. But banning does not teach discipline. It only teaches fear. Students will still use phones secretly. Guidance. Teaching responsibility. Students must learn when to use phone, why to use phone, how long to use phone. This is real education. Role of parents. Parents should not only scold, they should set time limits, check usage, talk calmly, give example by reducing their own phone use. Children copy adults. Role of teachers. Teachers should explain benefits and dangers. Teachers should encourage educational use. Teachers should teach digital awareness. Digital awareness. Students must know, not everything online is true. Do not talk to strangers online. Do not share personal information. Avoid harmful content. This protects students. Time management. Students can make a simple rule. 2 hours study, 30 minutes entertainment. No phone during meals, no phone before sleep. Simple rules work. Self-control. Self-control is more important than intelligence. A student who controls habits will succeed. A student who cannot control habits will struggle. Mobile phone is a test of self-control. Balance is the real answer. Mobile phones are tools. Fire can cook food. Fire can burn house. Same with phones. Use decides result. Final example. 2 students have phones. One student uses phone to study. Another uses phone only for reels. After 1 year, first student improves. Second student falls behind. Same phone, different choices. Outro. So should students use mobile phones daily? Yes. But with purpose, with limits, with discipline. Mobile phones should serve students. Students should not become servants of mobile phones. If students learn control today,